see if we get a bigger and bigger and better base. Because that change of direction is just so much more powerful. But I do feel like we've got to be somewhere in here, at least in the beginning. It might change when we start styling. I'm okay with that. I'm open to a change. Right there, just come here on the inside and then come through here, there, and then top.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hi. We try to package as effectively as possible. Some say that it's a little too much, but I don't know. Ooh. Starch, peanuts. You can, if you run them underwater, they disintegrate.
Will you eat one?
Will I eat one?
Yeah.
If I had some more spices, I'd toss some like salt on it. I mean they smell kind of good. Yeah.
New branding.
Does anyone want to eat this biodegradable peanut?
Eat it.
Yeah, will you eat it?
Can you actually eat it? I'm gonna do it anyways. It's quite tasteless.
That does not sound like food.
It doesn't feel right. I mean, it's dissolving.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
it's like when you're a kid and you eat paper. Like it tastes just like paper.
Wow.
Environmentally friendly packing.